Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Heather. If you're new here, thanks for joining me. And if you're not, thanks for stopping by again. Today we are going to be doing a cleaning product. We're going to check it out, see if it makes cleaning way easier, less tedious, doesn't hurt your hands. Want to know what that is? Stay tuned and let's do this. Okay, so today is cleaning day. Hair's in the ponytail, and what we're going to be doing is trying out a product that I purchased off of Amazon, of course, and it is the Turbo Scrub Pro. Looks like this. It can go up to almost 4 feet, and it has a little place right there that you plug it in to charge it. The first time that you charge it, it takes 3.5 hours. And I have done that. And it comes with 4 different scrub heads. This is kind of just the smallest little flat one. And they also have a small one that has more of a domed type head, maybe to get into corners, things like that. Then it has a bigger version of this little one that I have attached. And these just pop right off and on right there. And then it's got this big dome one here. Okay, so we're gonna just do this one, and I left my shower super gross while I was gone and on vacation and didn't clean it just so that I could try this out when I came back. Let's go check it out. As you can see, my shower is really disgusting right now. There's a bunch of soap from, I think, an extra bar of soap that got left down there. I don't know. It's gross, really disgusting. So let's see if this thing works and if it makes it easy and I don't have to get down there and scrub it all. All right, let's check it out. I'm out of one of my favorite cleaners. This is the Let Me Shine Everyday Cleaner. I love this stuff. Smells great. It's non-toxic. Okay, let's see how easy this is. I'm gonna turn it on. Show you right here. It says it's lightweight, but when it's extended this far, it's kind of heavy. Whoa! It's like bumper cars. I can't even put it where I want it to be. It's really kind of hard to control because it's sliding all over the tile because of the spinning action. It just, like, you just set it down and it moves. So you have to sort of fight it not to go that way. All right, so I just rinsed it off and now it's totally clean. I'm gonna try the one that has the little dome to get into the corner down there. Okay, so this one worked, but you can see just after one use, it's already starting to look a little bit frayed and mangled, so I don't know about that. Let's try the big one. Okay, we're gonna try and clean this with it. I've actually found that taking the extender off and just using it as a shorter handle here is better. So we're gonna try that. Nice and clean. Pretty nice and clean. Okay, so it does work. It cleans and you don't have to get on your hands and knees and kind of scrub with an old toothbrush. That's kind of nice. It's a little heavy and cumbersome, and when you turn it on, it's kind of sliding all over the place and you have to sort of fight with it to get it to go where you want it to go. I like it when it's shorter. It's just this much, but that's still pretty long. Oh, it's dripping everywhere. But having it longer, I guess if you were doing a high shower or something, that would be good. But it is kind of heavy, and it says it's lightweight, so it's not really that lightweight. You know, as far as fixtures and stuff like that, I don't think that it's really worth it for that. But if you have issues with kind of getting on your hands and knees and you're trying to save your knees, this might be a good thing for you. Plus, you don't have to like scrub, but you do have to grip it. So I'm not really sure if that's benefiting you, but for reaching high places, tops of your showers, things like that, it's decent. It's decent. Would I buy it again? Probably not, but I'm gonna use it because I have it. So if you want to check it out, I'll have it linked in the description box below. The nice thing about Amazon is that if you use it and you just don't like it at all, you can return it pretty easily. So I'll have it linked. My bathroom shower is actually clean, so I'm happy about that. And you know, nothing like multitasking, making a video and cleaning a bathroom. So I hope you found this video helpful and informative, learned a lot about a new product. And if you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so that you're notified of every video I post, which happens every Tuesday and Thursday. Until next time, stay inspired, and I'll see you in the next video.